My name's Kirk. I'm the warranty manager here at the Monroe office in North Carolina, and I'd like to clear up some misconceptions of warranty and just address a few issues. I know most customers, they usually have a concern when they see the warranty manager or any type of personnel in warranty, because they think the first thing in their mind, the first thing that's going to happen is, oh, they're going to tell me no, they can't do anything for us. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to address your concerns and take care of the issues or concerns you may have for your house. The black book that's given you when you close your house it's a book you really need to go through. It's not like the service manual in your car where you get it and you never look at it, because that book is laid out and on every issue that could possibly go wrong with your house. And I would just like to stress to the customers, please read that book. And I have no problems coming to your house within 30 to 45 days of you moving in if you have questions, and actually going through your book. I actually have stuff highlighted in my warranty book that it may not be a concern to you, but it's something that I can show you, hey, if this arises, this is what the warranty book says. I would really like customers to understand, I'm not here to tell you no. I'm here after everything's done, the settlement's done, the project manager's gone. America's Home Place has not left you. We are here. I'm not going anywhere. I'm a very accessible person. All you have to do is pick up the phone. You should have my business card. And I just want you to understand, I'm here to take care of what needs to be taken care of. And I want y'all to be comfortable. I want you to love the house you're in. And I want it to be your forever home. And I don't want any customer for America's Home Place to ever regret, oh, why did I do this? Because I didn't get this taken care of. Once again, my name's Kirk. I'm the warranty manager in Monroe, North Carolina.